Air fryer. Beautiful. Look at that. Comes out perfect with hot dogs. So today we're gonna attempt to make fried Jamaican dumplings in the air fryer, and we're gonna stuff them with some hot dogs. So in my bowl I want to put 2 cups of self-rising flour. I put a tablespoon of baking powder, tablespoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 1 to 2 ounces of butter, and we mix that in just like you'd be making a puff pastry. What happens is this makes the batter lighter and it gives you a better dumpling. Then we're gonna put 3/4 cup of cold water. Need. Using the air fryer, I'm gonna put a touch of avocado oil, and that's what's gonna smooth out my dough, because I want my dough to be, and it's gonna add a little fat, because what happens with the air fryer is you need that fat content. Dough, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll it like that. I'll make small balls just like that. That. So this is my hot dog. I'm gonna take that, put it in there, and then you're gonna roll. Take a little oil, because you want it to be as smooth and as round as possible. Just like that. And you do that until you're all finished. Put that aside. So this is our stuffed dumpling. So what I do now is I spray it with some olive oil, just for like that fat content, because you know the air fryer just dries it out. So we spray it with some olive oil, and we're gonna set that aside and grab our air fryer. So as I said, if you like this video, hit that like button. If it's your first time here, red subscribe button. Big vibe. Okay, so all you gotta do now is we take our air fryer, open it, dumplings, and we put 1 in every other, like that. Maybe we could put more. It works if we put 1 on that side, and we put 1 on that side, and we put 1 on that side. So this one goes forward, those goes in the back. Then we put, go in, function, we want to go, let's go 350 for 10 minutes. And we go action. There we go. See you in 10 minutes. Hit that like button. So this is what it looks like after 10 minutes. They kept their shape. They're a little good, but they could be better. So I'm gonna add a little bit more oil for word speaking, and also for a vibe. So a little bit more oil. And I'm gonna put it back for another 5. So I'm gonna keep it at 350, and I'm gonna just do another 5 minutes. So dong. There we go. 5 minutes, hit the power button, and done. The ultimate test, the ultimate vibe. Perfect. Look at that. Air fryer. Beautiful. Look at that. Comes out perfect. So let's go over to my board and we'll cut them and see what it looks like on the inside. Alright, so that's my air fryer dumplings. And don't forget, the big vibe is the fact that we stuff them with hot dogs. So big vibe on the air fryer fried dumpling. Look how beautiful it looks. Awesome. Solid.